This is a short video explaining how to apply a coupon code to Relax. To get started, once you're on the Relax homepage, navigate to the Settings menu by clicking the profile icon and then Settings. From there, under the My Account section, you'll see a section called Current Plan. Select Manage under Current Plan. Once you've navigated to the Strike portal, click Update Subscription to move from the free plan to the Relax Plus account. Select relaxAI Plus and specify the number of licenses you would like to purchase. In this situation, I'm purchasing 5 relaxAI Plus licenses that I can control. Once this is listed, you can add a promotional code here, or you can simply check out. Once your subscription has been applied to your Relax account, you can click here to return to relaxAI, and you'll see that your relaxAI Plus account has been added. If you go to Organizations, you should be able to create an organization and manage the 5 licenses you have purchased from this section.